The Fushegbuwa ruling house of Ijebu-Ode has witnessed a moment of unity as two prominent figures, Otunba Lateef Owoyemi and Otunba Ajidagba Adedokun, come together in a show of solidarity, signaling a new chapter of cooperation and unity within the royal family. Anthony Gandunu witnessed this meeting held at Afinjadiara residence of Otunba Abdul Lateef Owoyemi in Idowa, Ijebu, and now reports.
One of the purposes of the two-in-one meeting, according to the Owoyemi of Atitevi Odedina royal family, Fushegbuwa ruling house, Prince Akinola Odedina, was to identify with Otunba Abdul Lateef Owoyemi by acknowledging him as the authentic Owoyemi of the Fushegbuwa ruling house, having pleased with his style of leadership.
The purpose of the meeting is to strengthen the ruling house and to show our support for the Owoyemi of the ruling house, that individual royal houses will come here and show their support, so that what he is doing, he will get us to the promised land that we are waiting for.
The second purpose of the meeting, attended by executive members of the two factions of Otunba Abdul Lateef Owoyemi and Otunba Adedokun Ajidagba, as well as elders in council, according to the initiator Otunba Abdul Lateef Owoyemi, was to lay to rest every misunderstanding between the two leaders and work together as one. The initiative Otunba Adedokun Ajidagba supported.
The first meeting followed upon reconciliation brokered by Chief Tunde Awote Oduwagbadagbodo of Ijebu land yesterday, in which it resolved the differences, if any, that used to be between me and my good cousin Otunba Adedokun Ajidagba. And he came and steamed in the morning to rub mind with us on how we can move forward and in a harmonized manner.
With all other followers, that's the outcome of today.
So what should the people be expecting from you?
They be unity. They should be expecting the goodie of the ruling house. We have something big in the stock to make the ruling house go to the sky, higher. With my junior brother.
Members of the Fushegbuwa ruling house who were in attendance described the meeting as a new dawn in Fushegbuwa ruling house.
This is the best thing that has happened to the Ijebu nation. It's the rebuilding of the efforts of our late father, Owoyemi And Otunba. And this is a reassurance that the Fushegbuwa family is more than determined to build on the foundation set by Owoyemi And Otunba.
It's a family, very big family. But they say Kijamawa, Ijalode, Toridowe. Now everything is settled. Permanent peace, not peace of the cemetery. A living peace.
What we have been praying for, left, right, and center, to have a unified Fushegbuwa. Fortunately, there was a meeting before a meeting of this particular one, and there we are able to put Fushegbuwa family first.
The Owoyemi Otunba Abdul Lateef Owoyemi, while assuring the public of hitch-free process of selecting new Awujale and presentation of credible and acceptable candidates from the ruling house to the kingmakers, called on all members of the Fushegbuwa ruling house outside the fold to come together for greater Fushegbuwa. In Ijebu-Ode, Anthony Gandunu, NTA News.